everyone, we are from Group 8 from Kuliah 16 will present to you towards zero plastic usage. Firstly, why do we need to abolish the usage of plastics? As human population increase, the production of plastic will be increased, thus larger generation of plastic waste resulting in environmental pollution. And as we all know, plastic contains hazardous chemical constituents and different type of plastics has prevailing disposable methods. And these disposable methods has detrimental effects to the air, water, soil, organism and human health. Next, the example of chemical contained in plastics that can harm the environment are nonylphenol and polychlorinated biphenyleters. Yearly, 8 million of plastics has been released into the ocean can lead to degradation of marine habitats, and long-term of usage of plastics can lead to leaching of toxic chemical constituents into the food and drinks due to high temperature.
Now, let's start with the ways to reduce plastic usage. First thing first, we can reduce the usage of plastics by using reusable bags to store shopping stuff instead of using the provided plastics at malls or shops. Reusable bags are durable, well constructed and made to last long as they are made of more than a single material to provide the bag with added durability and strength. For instance, non-woven fabric, cotton bags, and recycled PET bags. Most of the reusable bags are durable, 100% recyclable, and eco-friendly. The advantages of reusable bags are not only to reduce the usage of plastics, but we can also enjoy strength and durability, hence makes them easier to use for both loading and unloading groceries. Next, we can save our money as many stores all around the world are not charging customers for plastic bags. Lastly, reusable bags can be used for a lot more than just carrying groceries. It can also be used for many purposes such as packing your lunch in them, put your necessities in them, and etc. Moving on to the next one, which is avoiding single-use plastics in our daily life by avoiding non-recycled plastic bottles and plastic straws and start purchasing reusable items like reusable bags, metal straws, and many more. Other than that, bring our own takeout containers to buy food since many restaurants use styrofoam. This helps in reducing the amount of styrofoam and plastic that gets used for takeouts. We can also start to shop at the farmers' markets, as the product has natural and biodegradable packaging, and we are allowed to buy fresh and local product without plastic as long as you remember to bring your own bags. By using all of the alternatives, we can help clean up the cities, parks, and oceans, improve our chances of limiting global warming, and protect the wildlife as there will be no more or less plastics that will release carbon dioxide emission to atmosphere and end up in ocean or countryside. And lastly, avoid cosmetic products that contain microbeads. Microbeads are tiny solid plastic particles and are durably added to cleaning products, skincare products, and cosmetic to give exfoliating properties. Many of these microbead containing products are designed to be rinsed off, meaning these products will go down the drain. However, the small size of the beads means they are mostly not captured by water treatment plants and end up in rivers, seas, and oceans. Once in the water, microbeads pose a threat to wildlife and ingest the plastic particles, which will become lodged in their stomachs or intestines. This builds as bigger fish eat smaller fish and accumulate more plastic. As the plastic accumulates in the food chain, human which is at the top of the food chain will end up with many diseases. The products that still contain microbeads are foundation, moisturizer, eye makeup, and facial scrubs. The type of microplastic that this product may contain is polyethylene, polypropylene, polymethyl methacrylate, and nylon. That's all for me.
Okay, the effect of the plastic usage on Earth. The first is the land pollution. Dumping of plastic on land or landfilling plastic lead to the abiotic and biotic degradation of plastic. The stabilizer, the harmful chlorine moieties, strategizers, and heavy metals. The chlorine plastic are capable of leaching out the toxic chemical into the soil. Second is the water pollution. The plastic in the ocean can degrade within a year, but not completely. The toxic chemical can be released into the water, causing the water pollution. The contaminants from the microplastic are bioavailable for the marine. Many marine live because of their presence in benthic and pelagic ecosystem in their small sizes. Third is the air pollution. The carbon dioxide and methane are released into the air when plastic waste which were landfill finally decompose. The carbon dioxide is also released into the atmosphere during the burning of plastic and plastic products. It burning open of plastic and release the pollutants.
Moving on to the benefit of Zero Plastic Waste project. For the environment, zero waste reduce our climate impact. Reducing, reusing and recycling will conserve energy and dramatically reduce our carbon emission. Second, zero waste conserve and minimize pollution. Zero waste approach conserve natural resources and reduce pollution from extraction, manufacturing and disposal. While for the communities, zero waste promotes social equity and builds community. Zero waste project allow everyone to participate in protecting our environment and the health of communities by reducing pollution in the air, water and soil. For the economy, zero waste support a local circular economy and create jobs. Green jobs are created in collecting and handling recyclable materials and processing at local recyclers, waste depots and compost facilities. For the conclusion, plastic waste is a growing issue that we face everywhere around our world. Reducing the use of plastic is important as plastic production requires an enormous amount of energy and resources that causes carbon emission and contribute to global warming. Reducing our use of plastic is the most efficient and easy way to fight the problem. Prevent new sources of plastic from entering the environment. Small change is still a change. Last word from us, the solution is in our hand. Thank you.